Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your studentaid account. So watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you have not yet, press the notification bell so that you never miss another upcoming upload from us. Actually, it's pretty easy to log into your studentaid account. First of all, open up a web browser of your choice and type in www.studentaid.gov and press enter on your keyboard. After that, click on this login button from here and then type in your email, phone or FSA ID username and your password into the login area. If you forget your username, click on this forgot my username link from here and follow the instructions. If you have forget your password, click on this forgot my password link from here and follow the instructions again. If you don't have an account yet, click on this create an account link from here and follow the instructions. After filling all of your details, click on this login button from here and that's it. That is how it can be easily done. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like these. Thank you for watching.